Hi guys, you're welcome to our channel. Yes, if you are new to our channel, you're welcome to Arlin TV. And for returning subscribers, thank you very much. We appreciate your love for our channel. Today we'll be making a quick trip from Awka to ENUGU State. Yes, we are going to be using I used to be called the new road. We call it the new road, even though it has been abandoned for a very long time. And some maintenance work has been done there, so we're going to be using there to get to Enugu today and see how the road is currently and how far the work is going. I learned from Enugu axis coming, a lot of work is going on there, so we're going to be seeing all of those updates. So we're just at the borderline between Enugu and Anambra State. Now we just passed that bridge. For those who are very familiar with this old road, the funny thing about this journey is that you drive a little on the old road, you skip over to the new road, and you continue just like that. Normally before now we usually use the old road, but because of the recent some of the incidents that happened around Four Corners, we entirely abandoned the old road, so we don't use it to completion again. So we drive a little on the old road, divert to the new road, and get into ENUGU State. So we'll be bringing you guys up to speed on the recent construction work and the recent maintenance that is currently going on along that path. As I said before, if you are new to our channel, you are welcome to Arlin TV, and don't forget to click the subscribe button and also turn on notification bell so you know when we upload new videos. And for returning subscribers, thank you very, 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 very much. Yes, after this bridge now, we'll be joining the new road. We'll be leaving the old road and joining the new road to continue the journey to ENUGU State. I know for those who have frequent ENUGU or who have visited ENUGU before should be familiar with this part, because this is more or less like the only part we have been using. But because of the incident, like I said, insecurity issues, we decided to be joining the new road, and there are a lot of security personnel along this new road, so it's literally safe for you to use. A lot of checkpoints, police and army, they are all along that path. So stay tuned, we'll be getting around the areas they are working pretty soon. And you can check out our video catalog on Enugu, on Anambra. We have quite a whole lot of videos, and if you have any travel destination within the southeast, you can also do well to check our channel. I can say we have literally every road you can think about as far as southeast is concerned, cutting across all the south and southeastern states. We've used the major road that leads into this state. So do well to check our video catalog to see if you get for the road or the journey you're about to embark on. Check our video catalog and see if you will see the current state of the road there. And we're also open for your suggestions and recommendations for videos we need to shoot. If you have anything that is strategic or iconic within your area, you can also do us a DM. I'll be more than glad to make a trip to that destination and film it for you. So we have a whole lot of interesting videos from people who recommended it for us to see. So back to our trip. As you can see, the road is looking cool and smooth. Little potholes here and there that we have been jumping, and looking very okay, with a lot of barricade as well. As much as we have the police and the army as well, we also have all of those that stop truck and collectors, and they can create serious disaster sometimes on that road, and they throw their plank just to stop the trailer. Sometimes it can be very dangerous to individual vehicles that are using the road sometimes, so especially when you're on top speed, so the road is pretty okay, just some few spots that are bad, which I'll be showing you as we go on with the video very soon. So but majority of the majority part of the road actually is okay to use currently. So if you are making a trip to Enugu from Onitsha or Awka, this is a very, very, very good road to use. And just to mention again, this new road has actually is open to Awka directly, but just that the road is also bad, so you have to jump from one lane to another lane just like that. You finally get into Awka. But to prevent all of those jumping left and right, that's why we often join the old road to enter Awka proper. And when you enter Awka too, going through the old road is very terrible, so everyone has to go back to using the new road. And That one has been done before by the state government, but we don't know the kind of work they did there, and it's entirely bad again. And this new road that we are currently using is so sad, because I remember vividly well that in 2015 I used this road. That was when the construction was newly done. 2014 ended to 2015. That was when this construction of this new road was newly done, and the road was so clean. Then I used it to Nsukka from Benin, and the road was very good. I was surprised a year after coming there, it was entirely bad. And now we are currently using just one lane. The other lane has been totally condemned. And to my greatest surprise, using this road again, I saw that they were scraping some part of this road that is even good, that we are managing. So I was trying to wonder why. The other lane is entirely bad, entirely condemned. Why not work on the part that is bad, and let's be managing this that is still very good? But instead they are scraping it. I believe they want to expand it, which is good. But then again, are they doing this for us to just know that we are using one lane for to and fro, and the other one totally condemned, probably allow bushes to grow there or something? Is that the current state? So I don't really know the aim of this job they are doing here currently. You understand? So if you look close, you see that both sides of the road has been totally scraped off, and we just passed some of the workers along the road now. I believe asphalt and others will be poured very soon for it to be completed. So I don't know why. This road was not really bad. It was okay for us to be using, but the other lane, which is supposed to be for people coming from Enugu, is totally bad. We don't even go there again, though work is coming from the Enugu axis of that lane, but you won't still stretch very far with it. And like I mentioned earlier, that we're going to be getting to the very bad spot of this road, and this is that spot. This is the spot that is very bad along this road. As you can see, it's very, 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 very bad. So we are really wishing for the dry seasons to come, so that at least we will know where and where to put our leg. Then on a very raining day, it's very difficult to pass here, because you can't really tell how deep the ground is. But if it's dry, you can be able to measure to a large extent how deep the ground is. So this is the only part that is very bad on this lane. So in case you are coming, you mind your speed around this axis. So but after here, I think the road is fair till you get to Enugu, but we will still be jumping from left to right, from left to right when you are closer to Enugu, So let's keep on driving to see how far the road is. So we'll be getting to the major construction work going on pretty soon along the Enugu axis. That side, the both lane has been done. That's when you're approaching towards the 9 mile axis. Both lanes has been fixed, but still not in use. Only one lane is still currently being used. I'll mention again, if you are still seeing this video and you are a returning subscriber, thank you very much. We appreciate you. And for those seeing our videos for the first time, please do not hesitate to click the subscribe button to join our big family. We're looking forward to seeing you comment and share our video. And for this video, we'll be more than glad to receive your feedback or your comments on this road. Have you used it before, or are you intending to use it? Just give us your experience if you have used the road before. So we are open to your comment in the comment section. So let us know your feedback. Let us get your view on this road in the comment section. So we are currently almost approaching 9th mile in Enugu now. You can see how neat the road is. So this is 9th mile axis. Now you can see how neat the road is. The other lane is even open. We used it in the morning, but we don't know why they closed it again while we are leaving Enugu. But this is how it is. The other lane also is very good as well. So it has been fixed. Yes, so it has been fixed. Just that when you get to the Ekochin axis, for those who are familiar, you still have to join one single lane, because the other part has been condemned. Work is still coming from Enugu main town. We hope that they get to that point and fix that axis pretty soon. So that other lane that has been fixed now, that is not open, trailers are already parking there. So we are waiting. So this area is where we take you back into 9th mile proper, or lead you out of 9th mile into the express. So these are popular areas as far as the Enugu Awka road is concerned for those who often frequent this road. So this axis is very good, like I mentioned earlier. So we'll be getting closer to Enugu main town now to see some of the construction work also going on. You can, if you look by the other lane, you observe that there are workers and there are tractors on the other lane of the road, and work is seriously going on along that part. Yeah, so we're in Enugu State already, and we have a whole lot of awesome videos about Enugu. We videoed night mine before. You can check our video catalog and see how night mine is. This is just a drive past night mine. So you can also check out our video on the Lion Business Park that is also situated at night mine. So you can check out all of those videos. We have some awesome videos about Enugu State. So do well to check them out and also leave your comment for us. So that other lane by the right hand side takes you to Milking Hills. So when you say you are using the Milking Hills area, that's the road that is very curvy. So that takes you there. That will also take you to New Market in Enugu State, but we choose to use the express because the express is good. My concern with the Milking Hills axis for Ungo part, there's serious bumps, a lot of bumps. Like I know they did those speed bumps to control speed around those axes, but it's very much, so I prefer to use the express and get my free drive. So basically, so everyone with their preference, you know. So but if it's at night, I will advise you use the Ungo axis and use the Milky Hills and go through New Market. So but if it's during the day, feel free to use this road, and it's very very good and clean. So if you observe, we've jumped to another lane now. The other lane is also motorable, it's fair, but a lot of potholes also. So all of us will always jump back to this lane that is tiled. So one thing I don't really understand is I don't know why they can't just fix the both lane to be good. You know, they'll fix one in parts, leave the other one, fix the other part of the other one, just like that. So like this part we're riding on now is newly fixed and is very clean and neat. So very soon at the front now, they've blocked a particular point. We will jump back to the other lane again. That part of the other lane has been done, you know, so just like that on the road. So I don't know why. So those who are engineers seeing this video, if you can give us an explanation to why road construction is being done like that, please, we really appreciate if you give us that advice. If you see now we are diverting, that car going through that other lane now is a military personnel, so I think maybe he wants to park along that part because everybody have to move here again. That road has been blocked, but though is completed, so we have to move here. This is also not so smooth, not so good. So we are almost in Enugu State now. This is the refuse dump site in Enugu, and they are trying to see how they can push it inside, because I don't know why the trucks will just come and dump the dirty very close to the road or literally on the road. So I think the state government have mandated them to see how the dirty can be moved inside very well. I think that will be very good, because it has eaten into the road, which is not a good sight to see entering into a city like Enugu for the first time. So I believe this video will help as much persons that are willing to travel to Enugu. We have the complete video from Onitsha down to Enugu, so just check our video catalog on road trips and you will see a complete drive from Onitsha down to Enugu. So you can see the current state of Onitsha to Awka, and this is Awka to Enugu. So just to give you an idea of how the road is, the Onitsha to Enugu road is Onitsha to Awka road is very good. So you have no fear, you can even sleep drive on that road. The road is very clean. The only constraint again is a single lane road. One of the lane has also been fully abandoned, you know, so that's another constraint with that road. So but so far this is how the road is. The other lane of this one has been totally abandoned as well. Work is coming from Enugu. You see some of the workers very soon. Yeah, if you can see now, they are currently working. They've put asphalt on some part of that road, so we are hoping that they will open that up very soon for us to have a free drive out and into Enugu State. So maintenance work was also done on this lane that we are currently riding on, which is why it's being managed now. So that is it, guys. I believe this video will help you, and don't forget to give me your thoughts about this road in the comment section, and do what to also help us share You never can tell your loved one that is planning to embark on a journey to Enugu. Let them have an idea of what the road looks like. So we are in Enugu State, so I can say officially welcome to Enugu City. Yes, we'll be entering Enugu through the new market axis. If you go down straight under the flyover, that takes you into Transekulu axis and all of that down to Abakpa. So welcome to Enugu. If you have never seen Enugu before, this is a glimpse of what Enugu City looks like. You can also see a full view of Enugu City from our video catalog. And do not forget to subscribe to our channel if you are not yet a subscriber. And for returning subscribers, thank you very much. We do appreciate your love for our channel. Thank you so much, guys. We'll catch you in our next video. Bye.